Most people believe one simple lie, a lie so powerful that it controls their entire financial life. The lie is this: if I just work hard enough, one day I'll be rich. Warren Buffett says this belief is not only wrong, it's dangerous, because millions of people work hard every single day. They wake up early, sacrifice weekends, stay loyal to their jobs for decades, and still never become rich. They survive, they struggle, they age, and then they retire, if they're lucky. So what went wrong? Why do some people work less and become extremely wealthy, while others work non-stop and stay poor? Warren Buffett says the answer has nothing to do with effort. It has everything to do with how you think about money, time, and value. And if you don't change this mindset, no matter how hard you work, you will never be rich. Most people sell their time. That is the first trap. You wake up, go to work, and trade hours for money. When the hours stop, the money stops. Warren Buffett calls this a financial cage because time is limited. You only have 24 hours in a day and a limited number of working years. Once time is gone, you can never get it back. So if your income depends on your time, your income will always be limited. This is why Buffett says rich people don't work for money, they make money work for them. But most people never understand this. They believe promotions, raises, and overtime are the path to wealth. In reality, they're just running faster on the same treadmill. You work harder, earn a little more, your lifestyle expands, your expenses increase, and suddenly you're trapped again. Same stress, same pressure, different salary. This is not progress. This is the illusion of success. Hard work feels productive, and that's why it's so dangerous. When you're exhausted, you feel like you're doing something right. When you're busy all day, you feel important. But being busy is not the same as being wealthy. Warren Buffett has said you can be very busy and still go nowhere. The world rewards value, not effort. Two people can work equally hard. One becomes rich, the other stays poor. The difference is that one builds value that scales and the other doesn't. Working harder does not increase your value. Working on scalable assets does. An asset is something that makes money without requiring your constant presence. Businesses, stocks, intellectual property, systems, ownership. Most people never own anything. They rent their lives. They rent houses, rent cars, rent happiness, rent status. Rich people own. Warren Buffett didn't get rich by working more hours. He got rich by owning pieces of great businesses. While he slept, his money worked. While others stressed, his assets compounded. That is the difference. Another reason you'll never be rich, even if you work hard, is because you confuse income with wealth. Income is what you earn. Wealth is what you keep. Most people increase their income and immediately increase their spending. New salary, new phone. Promotion, new car. Bonus, bigger house. They reward themselves for working harder. But Warren Buffett still lives in the same house he bought decades ago. He understands that money gives freedom, not happiness. And freedom comes from control, not consumption. Consumption is addictive. It feels good in the moment, but every dollar spent is a dollar that can never grow. Buffett once said, if you buy things you don't need, soon you'll have to sell things you do need. Most people are victims of lifestyle inflation. They think wealth looks like spending. Real wealth looks like restraint. Your job was never designed to make you rich. It was designed to keep you average. Jobs are systems. They pay you just enough to stay, but never enough to leave. If everyone became financially free, the system would collapse. So it rewards obedience, not ownership. Warren Buffett understood this early. That's why he invested even when he earned little. He didn't wait to be rich to invest. He invested to become rich. Many people say they don't earn enough to invest. Buffett says that's exactly why you must invest. Wealth is built during waiting, not working. Compounding doesn't care how hard you work. It cares how long you stay invested. Time in the market beats timing the market. But most people wait. They wait for more money, more confidence, the perfect moment. While they wait, time passes, and time is the most valuable asset you will ever have. Another reason you'll never be rich is because you chase security. A steady paycheck feels safe, but dependence is dangerous. When your entire life depends on one income source, you are fragile. One layoff, one illness, one crisis, and everything collapses. Rich people diversify income. Poor people diversify excuses. Education alone will not make you rich. You can be highly educated and financially illiterate. Schools teach you how to work, not how to own. They don't teach long-term thinking, patience, or compounding. Warren Buffett waited decades for some investments to pay off. Most people can't wait weeks. They want fast money, shortcuts, quick wins. Buffett avoids anything that promises speed because real wealth grows slowly, quietly, and patiently. Fear is another reason people stay poor. Fear of losing money, fear of starting late, fear of looking stupid. The biggest investment risk is emotional. People buy when everyone is excited and sell when everyone is scared. The rich do the opposite. They stay calm and think long-term. Most people use bad leverage like debt and credit cards. Rich people use good leverage, knowledge, time, systems, people, and capital. They build once and earn repeatedly. That's how wealth scales. If you need motivation to work, you will never be rich. Motivation fades. Discipline compounds. Warren Buffett reads every day because learning compounds like interest. Small improvements over time create massive advantages. Most people overestimate what they can do in 1 year and underestimate what they can do in 20 years. Wealth is not built in moments, it's built in decades, and that's why most people fail. They quit too early. Hard work without ownership is a dead end. Effort without direction is exhaustion. Money without strategy is temporary. Warren Buffett didn't become rich by being the smartest person in the room. He became rich by being the most patient, by saying no to most things, by letting time do the heavy lifting. Remember this, you will never be rich by working hard alone. You become rich by building, owning, and compounding. Hard work only matters when it builds assets. Otherwise, it just builds fatigue. The real question is not how hard are you working. The real question is what are you building? Because if you don't change that answer, you will never be rich, even if you work hard.